me give myself like 2 seconds. Hi everybody! Today, the party's over. Like what I did there? No one's here. Thank you guys so much for clicking on today's video. We are going to be turning into Billie Eilish from When the Party's Over. She kind of is like this. You see it? Anyway, so if you want to learn how to do that, keep on watching. All right, my dudes. Starting off, we are going to be going into the LA Girl Pro Matte Foundation, as usual, to beat our face. Then, we're going to be taking our Riase eyebrow pencil in the color black brown and making Billie's eyebrows. So just like think of a bad guy, bam, you got her brows. Then using my Femme Fatale palette, I'm gonna go ahead and just mark my face up just like Billie would. So I just wanted to make some ocean eyes and, you know. Then I'm going to be taking a Hollywood & Vine lip pencil and drawing out my lips to look pretty much like hers. Then taking a white Hollywood & Vine eyeliner pencil, I'm coloring in that waterline so that I can get the Billie stare. Then I'm going to be taking silver body paint. This kind of has a shimmer in it, so it's real nice. And I'm going to be making the chains that Billie wears. And you know, she wears like a million chains that are all real nice. I didn't have any of these, so I just decided I was going to paint them. And that's what I did. So first I drew it out with the silver body paint, and then I went in with black body paint and then went over it. Then when I was all done with the black body paint, I went in with white body paint and made a white t-shirt that I didn't really shade or do anything with, just like a white backdrop. It's fine. Then you know you're gonna drip something on your face because that is the theme of this Halloween, is drippy faces. So you're gonna mix blue, black, and a dark blue powder eyeshadow in with some water and put it on this teardrop of your eyeball, and then get it all up in your eyeball so you go blind, and then drip it down your face. And make sure you like lean your head really far back so that it drips down your neck to your chest, because that's kind of the look we're going for. And then cry and sing, and you become Billie from when the party's over. You're welcome. Alright guys, that is how you become Billie Eilish from When the Party Is Over. If you haven't seen this music video yet, jump on the internet and where have you been? So this was so fun to do. I don't have chains, so I had to make all of them, so it was really fun to kind of do that research and look into it. And then this is a white t-shirt, if you were unaware, but you know, whatever. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you haven't, please subscribe to all of the social medias down below. We're on TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, all of those great things if you're a business person, LinkedIn. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. I love you all. Have a happy Halloween. Bye.
Perfect.